Hi everybody, this is Shri Tarot. So I'm gonna pull all three decks from all three decks cards for all zodiac signs for this month as included with guidance and angel messages. This month maybe for you I'm giving little guidance with the angel messages deck also. So I'm gonna pull in this card also. I pulled in this card and this deck also already. So for you, this month is like for traveling. I see many people are traveling to loved ones, or for job sake mainly to have a already created a balance, or like trying to create a balance from the roots. You have a passion for creating a job, or you have a passion to have a settled life, like you're trying to balance. And maybe you already plan to travel, so maybe already decided. So I see travel card, and one more thing is strength, wherein I see lot of strength is from you, like you already healing from inside, and you're planning to have a strength in yourself to have a career life, or maybe a family life, maybe taking courage, maybe you're calm quiet to have a strength, like you're influencing it gracefully. Maybe I see a leadership thing in you actually, Aries. So this month will be very purity of thought, like your thoughts are very pure to have a in spiritual matter, mainly in spiritual matter, compassion. So sometime it may be a lust also, but I see like the fear is blocked in you right now. Maybe I'm trying to remember to you people that the thing is self control, self destructive impulses, which is no way giving you any benefits in your life, or any positive, or uh, creating a balance. Like you will lose it you have to clear your mind first, have a healing, or you have a lot of trauma going on, maybe which you are thinking of, and be brave, okay, be brave. uh, Embody your light and shine courageously in face of danger or uncertainty. Okay, this is a like your patience already is like very much like you learning so many things, you're holding yourself. Maybe you're uncomfortable right now, or maybe you will feel comfort in future. Maybe your patience level, where everything in your life, like the weakness, the strength, restlessness, everything will love with the world, it will have a love with the world, okay, in future. So I mean to tell, allow confidence and composure to guide you, okay, towards your desire mainly. This is what I'm telling. So it's almost heading, you're heading this forward actually. I see lot of in this card, I see lot of struggles you have made. You're moving up, you already created a route, and you're worth to bear the fruit. Okay, you're already worth to bear fruit. So for me, and you're like, maybe you're planning two things. Maybe you're planning two cities to settle, or two countries to travel, or maybe marriage, or a finance career, or something like that. So let me check, okay. So what will angels guide you, okay. So for angels, I'm gonna ask, what will angel guide you for this month? Sun moon rising for sun moon rising Venus for Aries, okay. Sun moon Venus for Venus. Last Shifter, sun moon rising Venus for Aries. One more shuffle, sun moon rising Venus for Aries. These cards are too big to shuffle actually. So it is almost like, see, it's falling down. It is very glossy actually. So I could not shuffle more. So let me pull the cards for Aries. for month of August from angels. So Aries, this is an another story now. See, take if it is resonating to you. Otherwise, leave it because I'm trying to give collective messages for all Aries. Okay, so it might not resonate to you. Okay, or if it resonate, it may be vice versa. Okay, so eight of air and page of earth, which means for me, eight of air is almost like maybe seeing all these cards of from your like. All these cards like six of swords, strength card, ace of wands twice. So you're having a fear, lot of fear to move forward or to have a placement in your life. So you're feeling very helplessness. So the tendency so to see oneself as a victim. Maybe you have a lot of tendency to see yourself as a victim of. If anybody says you did something, then you see your own shoulders, your own back, like you did something, like you will make yourself as a victim, like you will show yourself as a victim, like you're in those situation. I'm not telling you are like that, the situation which you are right now is like that. So maybe you're having a lot of tendency to be victim oneself, like blame yourself for few things. So you need not to stay in your present situation if you're unhappy. Okay, although you may feel there is no way out, look again. Okay, you will feel like that, but look again. I'm telling, look again. There is plenty of possibilities. There is no situation without solution. There, each and every problems, each and everything in in or on earth as a solution. Okay, so just make your mind free, come out of it. There are plenty possibilities. Okay, freeing yourself from the situation is first one thing, and being healthy, having healthy foods, living your life in healthy manner, that is one more thing. So first I'm telling you people to be confident about your own self and abilities. So believe in yourself. Okay, your thoughts are very positive right now. The key to free is only success. Maybe you will find it later, but the thing, the efforts you put, which will bear you fruit later. So I'm just saying you people that, like, act with faith. Okay, act with faith. So eight of air is see what it is there, an illusion of being trapped, a lack of self confidence, afraid to take action. So see, so many horses which are being like very afraid, they're not able to move forward, they're like very slow, or they're actually it means peace. Okay, it means peace. The white horses always indicates you peace energy. So don't be afraid to move forward. Take a one more code. Have a patient. Have patience in your life first. So one thing is, I see a lot of so beautiful card this is. I see a lot of colors, lot of butterflies, lot of even I see few angels, and behind that so many things are being visible. Just check, what do you see in this card actually? I see a lot of flowers bearing fruit, or the flowers is blossoming. So good news about financial matters. So for Aries this month, good news in financial matters. So wanting to do something more challenging, so new area of study you will be having. So page of earth is like maybe you waited so long, there is a good news coming in your financial matters. So you're planning to move successfully forward at steady pace. Okay, so you may adopt new interest or passion, you may adopt it, like after this the news, after the news arrival, you may adopt a new passion in your life. So do your research, wisdom behind one's year. So in one year, maybe return to school or materialism. So I see good news coming to you. In one year, maybe you will be more forward, like not here. It will be more in better position. So I like to see you people there. So here is so don't lose your hope. So there is a last card which I have unpulled this because it was in end of the deck. Four of air. It means time to rest. Take a vacation. Time to rest. Okay. Now just heal yourself. Take a vacation. Allow more time before making a decision. Meditation and meditation may provide you answers. Okay, so angels already gave you answers, like I already told you what you have to take in a guidance, like the full reading, which was almost a long reading for you people, with angel message and guidance. So maybe it helped you people. Thank you, Harris.